Digital business management is the be-all and end-all of an efficient working environment. For this reason, we have developed a digital solution for corporations and small and medium-sized companies that enables them to start working in a more efficient, friendly, and simplified way.
At RevoCheck, we turn ideas into innovative digital products that connect people and power businesses. Ignition is a powerful integrated development environment with everything you need to create virtually any kind of industrial software application, SCADA, IIoT, MES, and beyond, all on one platform.
One advantage is the digital creation and completion of work orders on desktops and smartphones. Recurring checks or inventory management and inspection processes are created with just a few clicks and can be individually set and modified. This not only saves you time but also a lot of paper. Checks can also be completed via an app on your smartphone. It doesn't matter whether your workplace is in the office or in the field, you always have an overview. Inventory management and stock levels can be checked using the same principle. By entering the relevant data, fast processing is possible and can be viewed by the responsible employee at any time mobile. This increases system availability and reduces costs. The inventory can be completed via an app on a smartphone. Mobile inventory management increases flexibility in day-to-day work. Condition-based maintenance (CBM) for short focuses on the monitoring and evaluation of devices and system statuses in real time. Standard sensor connections such as IO-Link, OPC-UE, Ignition SCADA or MQTT are compatible with our system. So much for the basic package. More specific features like cross-location reporting, connection to SAP, Microsoft Dynamics, digital time reporting and much more can be added. We adapt to your company. The platform has language options for German, English, Slovenia, Hungary, Polish and Croatia. If we've piqued your interest, take a look at our website for more information on the benefits of the platform for digitalized asset management, digital fire protection and workflows.